like, and subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. People, Pawpaw, Sammy, and Ladybug here. I am plagued by Australian little sugar ants. They all up in my beehives, and I finally figured out how to get rid of them. I started taking control. First thing you do is you get half a cup of sugar. I don't care if you use a cup or a quart jar. Half sugar, 1 full water. All right? Half sugar, 1 full of water. Okay? Now, here's the problem. This stuff right here is basically used in a lot of things. It removes stains in your clothes. It's used in some medical applications. Your pet could drink a small amount, or you could, without doing too much harm to you other than upset stomach. I don't recommend it. I'm not a doctor. I'm just saying this is one of the safest forms you can get. Takes care of ants, yellow jackets, and a host of other little critters. It does, including honeybees, be careful. It does not harm mammals. Now, what I'll do is, once I mix 1/2 sugar, 1 cup of water. Now, people, here's the thing. About 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm talking about 1/8, little bit. It is so tempting to go 1/2 teaspoon. You don't want it. That'll kill the ants right at the bait station before they get a chance to get back to the nest. You want just enough in there, 1/8. Stir it up. Now, how I distribute it will make sure my bees don't get into it. You see this little jar? I'll take my drill. Now, I do not drill dead center. Okay? I drill right on the edge. Right on the edge. About a quarter of the way up. And the reason being, when I put that in there and lay it on its side, the hole is not in the center. It's down low. And I'll put just a little bit of honey on the edge, and it draws the ants right on up into it. Now, it's so easy to load. See this? You put it in there, you pick it up, put it in the hole you drill there, and insert it. Now, I started using this mixture 4 days ago. It's not lightning fast, people. It takes a day or two. They transport it back to the nest, it kills the queen and all the people in the nest, and pretty soon the trails are getting shorter and thinner. What was a solid line of ants is now a few stragglers. But you keep baiting these things. You keep baiting them, and you keep looking. Where you find the biggest concentration of ants, and you stick it there. Next thing you know, your ant problem's under control. I did not say eradicated. I said under control. Wildlife, ants, bees, wasps, yellow jackets, any animal goes to food. Believe me, honeybees and honey is like Walmart to the insect pests.